Hi! In this video, I will show you how to set up and input your own Twilio number to Call Agent AI. First, log into the Call Agent AI dashboard. Then go to your profile by clicking your profile photo in the upper right corner of the dashboard and click Edit Profile. Under your profile, click the User Settings tab. Under the Twilio settings, you will see Twilio account SID and authentication token codes. To get your Twilio account SID and authentication token codes, go to the Twilio console and log in. If you don't have a Twilio account, click on the Sign Up link and create a new account. Once you have your Twilio account ready, go to your Twilio dashboard. If you don't have a Twilio number, navigate to the Phone Numbers section. In the left-hand menu, navigate to Phone Numbers, Manage, and Buy a Number. Then use the search filters to find the type of number you need. Enter a specific area code or keyword to narrow down the results. Click Search to display available numbers. Review the list of available numbers and select one that meets your needs. Then, click the Buy button next to the desired number. Confirm the purchase when prompted. Twilio will display the monthly cost of the number. You will see your newly purchased number listed in the active numbers. You can now configure the phone number to route calls and messages. Set up voice handling, like forwarding calls to another number or integrating with an application. And enable SMS and MMS handling with Twilio services or APIs. To get your Twilio account SID and Twilio authentication token, go to your Twilio account dashboard, scroll down, and you will see your account SID and Twilio authentication token under the Account Info section. Then go back to your Call Agent AI's user settings and put your Twilio account SID and authentication token codes and click the Save button. Now you can link your Twilio phone number to your Call Agent AI assistant. Go to the Assistants tab in the left side menu of your Call Agent AI's dashboard. Find the assistant you want to configure. Click on the Preview button under the desired assistant. This will open the assistant's settings. Then go to the Configuration tab. In the Phone Number field, enter the Twilio phone number to assign to the assistant. After entering the phone number, click the Validate Number button on the same screen. Wait for the system to confirm validation. You should see the message, "Number validated successfully." In the upper right corner of the screen, click the Submit button to save your settings. And that's how to set up and input your own Twilio number to Call Agent AI. Thanks for watching.